Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how we're gonna remove the front grille on this Mercedes and completely dismantle it. Now, in order to do this job, we'll obviously need to open the bonnet, and then that's the tool we will need. We will need a pair of pliers, we will need a star screwdriver, also called a Phillips screwdriver. We'll need a ratchet with a socket of 8mm. Let's start. First, we'll have to remove the lever that we pull in order to open the bonnet. I don't have to do it because this one is actually broken. I will have to change it. But depending on your W123, either like this one, it's a little clip that you remove and then you pull the pin inside, or sometimes you press it like so with a plier and you can remove it. Once it's done, you can remove the lever. Now we're gonna remove the grille, and for this we're gonna remove the 6 screws. So I'll show you one side, one here on the far end, there's one here, and the last one is inside the bonnet. It's here. Okay, this is why we need that kind of tool with the ratchet, so that it can go inside and we can remove it. So 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and then we'll remove it. That's it. Now I have the grille with me. Okay, and I will give you as well a tip. Okay, when you remove it, remove first all the screws that are in the middle, leave for last the one at the extreme. Why? Because they are much easier to remove, and like that you can hold the grille without it falling. Okay, so you can control it better. At the same time, I've noticed that the bonnet as well has been repainted at some point in its life. How do I know it? Very easy. The seal that's here, it should be black. It shouldn't be painted. And this is normally only applied like so on the bodywork. It's not glued or anything. It's just applied between the bonnet and the grille and placed by force. End of story. So usually when we remove the grille, with the time it stays stuck on the bonnet, and I can see obviously that when it's been repainted, someone removed this but didn't remove the seal. Now that we have the grille, we're gonna dismantle everything. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna start with the star. For this, I've made a video about this before, but just in case, you just grab it here, you turn it, but when you turn it, make sure that this goes on top of the base. If not, you won't be able to take it out. So I'll do it now. This is what I was telling you about. The U shape has to be on this. Okay, but as I say, if you're a bit unsure how to remove it, just look at my other video and you will know it. Okay, now you see those 2 rubber that are here. We're gonna remove it. So we're gonna use a star screwdriver for this. You see, very easy. One removed and the other one too. Okay, now we're gonna remove that bolt that's here. That's the one that hold that emblem. Okay, so we remove it and that will come off immediately. Be very careful when you will be removing this, because when you will unscrew this, if it's very hard or if you feel you have to force, stop immediately. Okay, place at that point some penetrating oil and leave it to rest. Okay, then after maybe a couple of hours, soaking it nicely, try again very gently. Okay, if you force, what will happen? You will break the whole thing and you will have to replace it. Okay, which is a shame. So be very careful with that if yours is a bit difficult to remove. We've got 4 clips, 2 here and 2 on this side. We're gonna remove them using a plier. You see there's a little lip, so we grab the little lip and we pull it like so. Okay, and we do the same with the 4. Now that the clips are removed, at the bottom of the grille there's a screw. We're gonna remove it, and then we should be able to remove the inserts. At this stage everything should be loose. Okay, so what you do now, you just pull this at the bottom. Okay, and then you pull the insert towards you. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky because here we've got a clip that's inside, but you jiggle a bit with it and it will come out. We have now removed it. Now we're gonna remove those clips that are here. For this you use a pair of pliers, you grab it and you pull it. That's it. We do the same with the others. That's perfect, we're nearly done. But now obviously if you need to change this as well, the chrome bits, it's very simple. You just slide it like so. Okay, and that's it, it comes off. So now you do the same with all the others. That's it. That's how you dismantle everything. So if you need to change any parts or anything on the grill, well, you can do so. Order the parts and just change it. Now if you need to paint this, you will need, some people paint it in black. You will have to lightly scrub it, then put the primer and then paint it. Okay? Well, I hope that you have liked the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because this channel will be a gold mine for you. And until the next video comes out, take care of yourself. Ciao.